Get a PlayStation 3 original controller with A2 model. Remove the elevated plastic section. 1. 2. 3. 4. 'This is what it looks like once the 4 elevated plastic sections have been removed. Make sure to handle them carefully. This makes the pointed bottom of the controller move further down and causes it to be detected as a new analog stick. Let's put it all together. Don't forget to press both the rubber pad and the analog stick firmly. You can now test your Hall Effect analog controller for PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 without any soldering required, which will save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.